your girl Julie from Carvat, and I am at Holywell. As you can see, it's a lot of mist going around here, but this is my painting. It is called African Queen, and I did it at Explore JA. It has been amazing. I'm gonna be telling you later how was the whole experience with the hike, but my painting turned out great. Come aboard, get ready to explore St. Andrew, yeah. I'm going Holywell, woo! Hey guys!
You live in St. Andrew?
That's why I said Holywell, and it's in St. Andrew. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Car Vibes. I'm your host, Julie, and this is my co-host, Mandel, who will not be joining me on my little excursion. Right, so I'm going with friends. Can you believe it? Whew. The hiker of the day, and he's not coming. I don't know what's going on.
Other priorities.
Yeah, from him losing the music battle with Tommy of all people, he has not been going on strong at all. Guys, send him little love. Send him little love and prayers. Anyways, so as was stated before, I will be going to Holywell. Now, I will not be having my boulder, and he's not no rock people, he's the boulder, because I have a thing. I'm pretty sure you've heard me and Mandel said it before. I am not the most sociable person, despite my bubbly, fun and bubbly personality on the show, or the episode, or the vlog, whichever one you guys want to call it. I am not a people person, so within 15 minutes of going anywhere, I'm usually ready to go home back to my dark and tight closed space. So without the boulder, I am gonna see how long I can last without saying come get me.
Don't call me fun.
That's usually his response, but I still tell him that I'm ready to leave, and he will still tell me over the phone he's not coming for me because it's not time to leave, is it? So
matter of fact, if I see your car, I'm gonna answer.
It could be an emergency.
Text it.
Wow, that's so nice of you, Mandel. But anyways, I'm gonna see how long I can stay without Mandel being in my ears telling me that that's not how you build connection. You're gonna let people feel away. You're gonna, you know, yada yada yada. He's always the one in my ears telling me these things. So I'm gonna be talking to myself within 15 minutes of ready to leave, to tell myself you're here with people, you can't leave them alone. I was gonna be chanting whatever he had been saying to me the whole time. So let's see how that works out.
Good luck.
He says that because he knows how difficult it is. I'm pretty surprised that Mandel is still with me despite that serious flaw. I don't like going anywhere with people, and people is everywhere. So just imagine that. He deserved the best man award. Anybody wants to nominate him? I do. Anybody wants to second nominate him?
I already nominate myself.
You can't nominate yourself. You're out of that.
Well, I'm gonna give myself the award. Yeah.
But guys, stay tuned to when the rest of the gang is up and about. I've got to be sticking close to them to see how I can, you know, do something that's not gonna be weird. I try my best to not be weird here. I'm trying my best. Like, I'm usually one to run for the hills when it comes to people interactions and stuff like that. So as man I said, I'm gonna try. It's just I'm not used to going by myself.
Just enjoy yourself.
He just won't be there. I don't even hear the sad part of my voice. He's gonna be missed. Why didn't you come?
Never think so. Life.
Alright guys, so next time you see me, I'll be with my groups of friends. And I'm missing the important stuff. So we're going to Holywell, but we're going to be doing a lot of activities. We're going to be doing a 10-minute hike, and yes, I did say 10 minutes. And then we're going to be doing some group activity. I'm in Blue House. I'm not in Blue currently. I'm going to change over to Blue. And after that, we're going to do the main event. Sip and paint. So you're going to be seeing your girl painted in the borders of whatever it is that I got on my canvas. I'll be showing you all the juicy details. And of course, one of the group members, her name is Whitney, she is dying to go into a river. So if there's a river there, I'll be capturing it if she does manage to go in there, which we all recommend she doesn't. But if she does, you'll be seeing it live or semi-live.
See it recorded.
Yeah. So guys, stay tuned for all the mix-up, the gossip, and if you are interested in the sip and paint and hike, you can Instagram these people, Expert JA. They are okay, you know. They have more than just the hike. They go many places. They go to Rum Estates. They go to Sugarman Beach. That's what name. Ritz Cafe, Negril. They go a lot of places. They go 2 places in one day, and the price that you pay, it covers everything. Of course, not food, but it covers your entry fee, it covers your ride, it covers your tour. So I would recommend you guys going there. Looking up on Instagram, Explore JA. They are amazing. Oh, you have to book your seats in advance. Please remember that. Jamaicans are eager to explore Jamaica as much as the foreigners are. Okay? So stay tuned. Mwah, mwah.
Later.
Hey guys, so we're at Newcastle. It's on the Jamaica Heritage Military Trail. There's nobody really telling me what's going on behind me.
That was a nice Jamaica like that.
One, I'm not sure if there should be more.
Yeah, that's the canon.
I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, so if you see the people in my background, so this is my anime buddy,
That is it.
Jackson. Then this is
IT
the shop
specialist.
myself, our turtle.
Yeah.
Come around with my Chelsea friend where now whip up them loose.
Yeah, that
And
is
then
it.
The shot 102.
She's 6'2".
The
Don't
6'2",
do it.
102 vampire. Shan. So I'm missing anyone? Oh, of course I'm missing one more. I'm missing Leslie.
You're
However,
missing Whitney, the one holding the phone.
Whitney. Yeah. We're missing Leslie, but she's camera shy today. Alright guys, I'm not sure what these are, but they look interesting enough. There are quite a few of them. I want somebody to explain what's going on, but I don't see anybody, unfortunately.
Some adventure people.
So these look nice. They've been there for a good while. I'm seeing 1941. I'm seeing 1951. I'm seeing 1934. You know, a couple of dates and stuff going there. about to start the hiking. About to bust some sweat. I never reach 1 minute into it and I'm tired. Well, stay tuned. Something smells fragrant. Probably are you waiting near the bush? At the bush, man. Hey guys, I have just completed the hike. It was 45 minutes. It was pretty long. There were bugs flying everywhere. It was hard for me to breathe. I'm out of shape, so that's true. Then a migraine attacked me, so I started to feel extremely dizzy. If it was not for Jackson, I can honestly tell you, I would not be alive because I felt dizzy. I saw three threes and I saw 3 threes and I held on to one basically, and the one I held on was of my imagination. So I was tumbling down. Thanks to Jackson, I survived. So he's the hero of the day. Other than that, I'm ready to go home. Hey guys, so this is the cafe that we are gonna be eating at. As it goes for the menu, at some point I'll get to the menu. But guys, the flies. So oh, right here, see it here. Holywell Jamaica, Blue Brews of Bristol, right? That's where we are. So after a sweaty, long journey, guys, after a sweaty, long journey, and bear in mind, I almost died. I was going down the hill. Thanks to this guy over here, I didn't roll down the hill and tumble. However, it wasn't bad. I prefer the 10-minute hike than the 45-minute hike. It was much better to me, and it wasn't all that challenging. But when it moved from the 10-minute hike to the entire hike, wasn't fun. Playing games afterwards was great. We played heads up, and it was fun. Leslie's team won. Jackson and I's team came in second, and we could have gotten more points. Let us say this, but we really don't know a lot of famous people. We
don't care for them.
No, I'm not gonna say that. I'm not gonna say I don't care for famous people. I do, however, we didn't have appropriate hints to give. Let us say, but Jackson, he toughed it out. I had to wait until my medication kicked in, of course, because after the hike, I wasn't me. I wasn't myself at all. I looked like I was about to kill over, but by grace of God, I was okay. And if you're hearing the breeze in the background, up here is lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. But, you know, I'm here hungry and I'm waiting for them to call my food number. Hey guys, so this is what I got. Sorry, I actually started eating before, so the fries is a little bit more than that. But I got 2 big pieces of chicken. It was great, and I got this ketchup with it, and the ketchup really tastes good. I'm not a fan of ketchup, but it wasn't bad. And the fries, I'm not a big fan of fries because I only like KFC, Burger King fries, and Popeye's fries. But this wasn't bad. This was good. Okay guys, that is my thingy. This is what the others looks like. Come Lizzie, let me see yours. That's what hers looks like. Let me see yours. That's what it's gonna look like. Okay, and let me see Whitney now. That's Whitney's. So guys, we kind of finished.
Smell it in the bark. You don't smell it in the leaf. Oh.
You know,
I literally said
you're not a good tour guide.
I said you can see the
Smell the eucalyptus tree, me. I know top them. I know, I leave.
I said.
Look how far